How to clear voicemail on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to clear your voicemail on Samsung Galaxy phone, the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're here, scroll down and find the option of apps, then tap on that. Here, you want to tap on this filter icon, toggle on the option of show system apps, then tap on OK. Now all the system apps will be shown over here. Scroll down and find the one that says call settings. You can also tap on the search icon over here and search for call settings, then tap on that. Now what you want to do is tap on the option of storage over here. Here, tap on clear cache. Once that is done, tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. This is going to delete all of the application's data permanently. Once you tap on the delete option, all of your voicemail will also be cleared. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.